Hey guys, we're gonna try the Berserker challenge. We got our 20 locks. Most of them are just cheap, no-name padlocks. 4-pin. And then we got two generic, one Elko, I think it's a Schlage keyway, and then another generic Schlage cylinder. We got bottom of the keyway tension, nothing special. And the good old snake rake. And we got a little timer here to keep track of my success and failure. So we're going to throw the tension wrench in here. And we go. Open. Open. And we're moving on to the padlock. Open. Open. I'm no speed picker by any means, so this is, I think it's challenging for a lot of people, but definitely challenging for me. We're 1 minute and 10 seconds in. Oh, drop the pick. Where are we at? We're at the halfway mark. Doing a good time. And I just jinxed myself. Alright. We got 10 locks to go. And we're at just a little over 2 minutes. Alright. Alright. Things are I'm gaining some time here. Six more locks. Man, oh man. 4 more locks. I think we're gonna do it, folks. One more for the finale. Alright, so we got 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not good at filming here, so bear with me. There we go. 3 minutes, 23 seconds. And you can see the pile of locks all opened. Alright, thanks guys.